Cool. I didn't record last night because I was really exhausted. So, maybe I'll do today. It's sort of still the afternoon. So, recording afternoon. I think what I want to do today is do maybe bilingual. So I'll do like the section of Japanese and then the section of English and see if that's going to help. So we'll do the reading that way this time. That seems good to me. Okay. I feel like I need to like stick something over. Okay. I don't want to be able to see the English while reading the Japanese. That's weird. Okay. 綾子は毎日電車に乗ります。仕事に行くとき、買い物に shopping. Okay. 買い物に行くとき、友達に会うとき、映画岩のカタカナに行くとき、映画を見に行くとき、電車に乗ります。Ayako rides trains every day. So what's the verb for ride? Norimasu. Noriru? When she goes to work, goes shopping. Okay, so I guess Toki is meeting with friends, shopping. Ikutoki. Autoki. Ikutoki. Alright. Noritoki rides the train. Okay. Heijitsu ni tsugoto he iku toki, Ayako wa mainichi onaji hitotachi to onaji densha ni norimasu. Shimatsu ni dekakeru toki, itsumo shigau hitotachi ga densha ni norimasu. When she goes to work on weekdays, Ayako rides the same train every day with the same people. When she goes out on weekends, there are always different people on the train. Cool. I guess we'll do one more. Ayako wa densha ni noro toki, itsumo fushigi ni omou koto ga arimasu. Kono hito tachi wa doko ga raikite doko he iku no kana? Alright. Cool. I guess I probably should read the English out loud. Maybe next time. Sorry.